Hello students, today we are going to learn about demonstratives. Class 7th English Grammar. Now the question is, what are demonstratives? आखिर demonstrative कहते किसे हैं? This, these, that, those are called demonstrative. ये जो चार वर्ड्स हैं, this, these, that, those, इन्हें demonstrative कहते हैं. These are used to point out something or someone. ये किसी चीज की ओर इशारा करते हैं. These four words are used to point out something. That's why these are called demonstratives. And it's a very important thing, these words can be used as pronouns or adjectives. ये words pronouns की तरह भी यूज होंगे और adjectives की तरह भी. This is my bag. यहाँ पर this pronoun की तरह यूज हुआ है because this is my bag. This एक demonstrative pronoun है. This bag is mine. This add quality to the bag. That's why it is adjective. यहाँ पर this के साथ bag लगा हुआ है. Bag की quality बता रहा है. This is my bag. This bag is mine. This bag is mine. तो this here it is used as an adjective. Okay. Use of this. In case of singular noun, we will use this. In case of plural noun, we will use these. Let us see. This और these का प्रयोग हमें वहाँ करना है जब कोई चीज हमारे नजदीक होती है. Person or things near to us, we will use this and these. This is an apple. Examples. This is my pencil. Obviously, pencil is near to me. These are my pencils. Pencils are plural in number and pencils are nearer to me. This cap is mine. Cap मेरे नजदीक है. These boys are very sincere. Boys means they are present in front of me. लड़के मेरे सामने हैं. These boys are very sincere. In case of plural nouns, we will use these. In case of singular, we will use this. And these are used when something or some person are near to us. Use of that. That is used in case of singular noun and those are used in case of plural noun. When something is very far from us, that time we will use that. जब कोई चीज हमसे बहुत दूर होता है, उस समय हमें that use करना है. Those mangoes are placed. Examples. Is that book on the table yours? Are those books on the table yours? That house is for sale. Those houses are for sale. Next is possessive. Possessive means ownership, belongingness. My pencil, my books, my computer, our country. A word that shows that a certain thing or person belongs to somebody. These are called possessive. Example. In your chapter, there are two types of possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. My, your, our, their, his, her. These are possessive adjectives. And mine, yours, ours, theirs, his, hers. These are possessive pronouns. So this page is very important. Examples. This is my room. Possessive adjective, because with this possessive determiner, room is attached. Room is noun. So adjective show the quality of noun. This room is mine. No noun is present. That's why it is pronoun. That was her purse. Her plus purse. That's why it is possessive adjective, because her purse is pointed out by the word her. That purse was hers. This is possessive pronoun. Thank you.